Hello, today we've come to Anglesey Abbey.
Yes, Anglesey Abbey is a 16th century Jacobean country house built on the remains of a dissolved priory.
And we're going to have a look inside and look round the gardens, which I have to say are looking beautiful today.
Yeah, it should be good. Well, it's the 6th of February today and I can't believe the amount of colour that we've got into this garden. It's amazing.
Oh, it's really beautiful, isn't it? It really is.
Yeah, every corner we turn we just go, wow, look at that.
Just makes you feel better to see it.
Oh, it certainly does. The living room was once the monastic chapter house. The room reflects the last owner, Lord Fairhaven, who purchased the property with his brother in 1926.
This beautiful pergola clock was bought by Lord Fairhaven in the 1920s. Each pineapple spins from its pot, accompanied by bells playing Scottish folk tunes.
Lord Fairhaven lived here until 1966. He was an avid collector of art and furniture. On his death, he left the house and contents to the National Trust.
The oak room features early 17th century wood panelling with a wonderful limestone fireplace.
Lord Fairhaven left an endowment of £300,000 and stated the house should be preserved complete so that it retains its character of an English home.
The dining room dates back to the 13th century and was part of the original priory. It features a vaulted ceiling and was originally the monk's parlour.
Made in silver gilt, this shield features scenes from Homer's Iliad and has a central scene of Apollo driving the chariot of the sun.
The staircase in the tapestry hall was added in the 1930s. The servants' quarters have been restored to the 1960s when it was last used as a private house. What did you think?
Oh, it was absolutely lovely, wasn't it?
It certainly was. And weren't the volunteers really helpful?
Oh, they were fantastic. They told us so many lovely things about all the artefacts and stories about the place. It was really interesting.
Yeah, and they lit them up with the lights that you could see them so much better.
Yeah, it was great.
It was.
Yeah, well, thank you for watching.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye-bye.